What's up guys, Troy here with Restoring Eden. I wanted to make a quick video showcasing one of the most extraordinary fruits that we've had the privilege to come across here. You know, there's fruits and then there are extraordinary fruits, and this tree definitely falls into that category. It's the Pakistan mulberry. Like the Persian mulberry is about this big. The Pakistan can grow to be about 5 inches long, the berries off of this tree. And this one you see behind me, this is a 12-foot Pakistan that was bare root. We put it in a 25-gallon pot and just let it grow on this year. And I just wanted to show you what these fruits look like. Here's one right here, about 2.5 inches long. Once again, this is not a fully mature tree, but they can get to be 20-25 feet tall and wide. So you can just imagine this tree being caked with fruit. And once again, just a fantastic fruit. Incredibly juicy, incredibly sweet, jammy, full of a very unique flavor, almost hints of grape, but not really. It's very unique. And if this were ice cold, man, I couldn't imagine how glorious that'd be to just have a bowl of these that were beautifully nice and cold, just munching on these with your family. I'm telling you, this is a fruit that you're gonna want to get in your backyard orchard. We're gonna have these in stock by the end of the growing season. They'll be about a foot tall or so just babies. But that's what we could find, and we encourage you to check them out at our location at Restoring Eden or on our website. See my chicken coop back there. All right, anyway, so Pakistan mulberry, check it out, guys. All right, thanks.